Hello everyone, welcome to Concept Cracker. Today let us discuss 5th standard multiplication. In that first exercise, multiply. First question, 146 multiply by 173. 3 8s are 16. 3 6 are 18, 8, 1 carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Now next number 7 8 7 6 are 42, 2 4 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32, 2 3 carry. So 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Next 1 6 are 6, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Now let us add together. 8, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. Second question, 178 multiply by 142. 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 5, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 4 8s are 32, 2 3 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 31, 1 3 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Now let us add 6, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 2 1 carry. 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 5 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. Answer is 25,276. Now the third question, 163 multiply by 134. Let us multiply. 4 3s are 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 5, 2 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 3 6 are 18, 8, 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 1 3s are 3, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. Now let us add 2. Here 5 plus 9 14 4, 1 carry. Next 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 3 18, 8, 1 carry. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. So answer is 21,842. Fourth question, 183 multiply by 208. 8 3s are 24, 4, 2 carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 2, 66, 6, 6 carry. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 6, 14. 0 3s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Now let us add 4, 6, 4 plus 6 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 3. 38,064. Fifth question, 150 multiply by 107. 7 multiply by 0, 0. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. 0 0s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Now 1 0s are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. Now let us add 0, 5, 0, 5 plus 1, 6, 1. 16,050. 6th question. 248 multiplied by 212. 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 2s are 4. 1 8s are 8. 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 2s are 4. Now let us add 6, 9 plus 8. 17, 7, 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 5, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 52,576. 7th question. 316 multiplied by 100. 0 6 are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 3s are 0. Again repeat. 0 6 are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 3s are 0. Now 1 6 are 6. 1 1 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. Now let us add 0 plus 0. Again here 0. Nothing is there, only 0. 6 is left, so write 6. 1 3. Answer is 31,600. 100 multiplied by 523. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. Now let us add 0, 0, 3, 2, 5. 52,300. Now second main multiply. First one 2,861 multiplied by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. 4 6 carry. 9 8s are 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. 4 5 carry. 9 8s are 72 plus 5 75. 5 7 carry. 9 2s are 18 plus 7 25. Second question. 3,947 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 49. 9 4 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32. 2 3 carry. 7 7s are 49. 9 4 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32. 2 3 carry. 7 9s are 63 plus 3 66. 6 6 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 20. 7,254 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 2 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32. 2 3 carry. 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 5 1 carry. 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43. Now the next question. 6,041 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 2 carry. 5 zeros are 0. 2. 5 6 are 30. Fifth question. 8,028 multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 6 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22. 2 2 carry. 8 zeros are 0. 2. 8 8s are 64. Sixth question. 4,395 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 4 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 4 85. 5 8 carry. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5 35. 5 3 carry. 9 4s are 36 plus 3 39. The product. First question. 9,025 multiplied by 10. 0 5s are 0. 0 2s are 0, 0 1 0 0s are 0, 0 9s are 0. Now 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 0s are 0, 1 9s are 9. Let us add 0, 5, 2, 0, 9. So 90,250. The next question, second one, 2,549 multiplied by 20. So the same thing here. Again, if you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0 as the answers. 2 9s are 18, 8, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Now let us add. If you add any number with 0, you will get the same answer. So here, if you add zeros with 50,908, 80, you will get the same answer, 50,980. The rest of the questions answers are given here. Please check out the answers. And dear children, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos on time. And if you have any doubt in this, please comment. First question, Mr. Siddhappa is a fruit selling agent who exports oranges. One box contains 144 oranges. If he export 259 boxes of oranges, find the total number of oranges exported. So what we should do? Number of oranges a box contains, that is 144. Number of box Mr. Siddhappa exports is 259. So what we have to do means we should multiply 144 with 259. The answer is 37,296. The total number of oranges exported by Mr. Siddhappa is 37,296. Second question. In a protected forest area, 160 trees are planted in each row and 108 trees in each column. Find the total number of trees planted in a forest area. The number of trees planted in each row, 160. The number of trees planted in each column, 108. The total number of trees planted in the forest area is 160 multiplied by 108. So if we multiply 160 with 108, we will get 17,280. So the total number of trees planted in the forest area is 17,280. Third question. A dealer buys 27 bicycles for his showroom. The cost of each bicycle is 2,067. Find the total amount paid by the dealer. The cost of a bicycle is 267. The number of bicycles dealers buy is 27. The total amount paid by the dealer should multiply 2067 by 27. Answer is 55,809. The amount paid by the dealer is 55,809. Fourth question. A farmer grew 23 quintals of wheat. He sold them for rupees 1,935 per quintal. How much amount did the farmer get by selling wheat? Price of 1 quintal wheat is 1,935 rupees. Quintal farmers grow 23 quintals. So now total amount farmer received by selling wheat is 1,935 multiplied by 23. Answer is 44,505. Total amount farmer received by selling a wheat is 44,505 rupees.